Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a two stars Sudoku in the additional, not in today's newspaper on Monday, October the 25th, 2023, because in today's newspaper we have no additional, no extra puzzles. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Thursday edition, Thursday, October the 19th, 2023. And Friday edition I've already solved in yesterday, Sunday. Alright, two puzzles are left. I've already solved the letter Sudoku. So the jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic, and two stars Sudoku are left. Yeah. Let me continue with this one. Two stars Sudoku number 7322. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a lot, 30 printed digits. Cannot be at 2 stars, because for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And usually the 2 stars puzzle has 26 printed digits, so 4 digits more. So I think it's a 0 stars, and for 0 stars puzzle I need to be faster than 14, maybe 15 minutes. We'll see if this is a 0 stars or a 2 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. A lot of 4s. Let me start with a 4. 4 in this row. 4 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 4. Need a 4 here. And need a 4 there. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. Well. How about 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5 in this big square. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, third column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Alright. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place left for the 9 should be there. Then 1 in 4. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. And look, we have 1 and a 4 in this row. So no 1 and a 4 in this box. 1 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in the middle row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there, so 1 is left in this column for number 3. Alright, okay. And now, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. And the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in this row. Middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Three missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, and look, we have a 2 and a 6 in the middle row, so no 2 and a 6 in this box. 2 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one digit left in this big square for number 3. Alright. Then. One, okay. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left, and 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there, 1, 1. Okay, cannot continue with the 1 now. And we have a pair. Oh, apologies, bumped the camera. We have a 1 and a 4 in this column, the 1 and a 4 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. And we have a pair again, the 8 and a 9 in the first row, the 8 and a 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. That means 1 digit left in this row for the mother. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And 2, 3, 6. Nope. Okay. And now. Interesting. 6, 6. Need a 6 here. Okay. Well. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 in these two boxes. Yeah, 6 in this row, no 6 in that box. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in one of those two boxes in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we see a 6 in this row. First row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright, and now 6, 6, 6, 6. Need a 6 here. Alright. Need a 2, need a 3 here. 3. Come on. This is taking too long. 8 and 9, 8. We have 2 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Here we have a pair. Okay. We need to wait. Need a 7 here. And 7 in this row, last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, only place left for the 7. Should be there. Need a 7 there. Okay. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be in, and 6 goes there. And we have a pair, I believe. The 8 and the 7 in this column. The 8 and the 7 in the last column. So in the column between, only 2 places left for the 8 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 7, 8 and 7. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. I marked this box with 8 or a 9. We have a 8 here in this big square, so this box should be a 9. So 1 digit left in this middle row for number 8. 8 and 9, we have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 9 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. Let me mark those. Here I have 2 and a 9. We have a 9 here, so this box should be a 2. And that box should be a 9. Alright. This is 3. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 6. We have a 6 now in the last row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number, I believe, the 2. 1, the 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So here should be also 3 and a 9. In the first column, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes, and there 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 3 and a 6, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. 2 and a 6, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there, finish in 12 minutes. Told you. Cannot be a 2 stars. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 15 and 14 minutes. Yeah. And I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. Jigsaw Sudoku with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.